Hello viewers, in this video I am discussing CS Main 2018 Mathematics Optional Paper 2 question number 4b of complex analysis or complex variable. This question is from section A and this is page number 4 of the paper. Find the Laurent series which represent the function 1 upon 1 plus z square into z plus 2 when there are three conditions. First condition is mod z is less than 1. Second is 1 is less than mod z is less than 2, and third is mod z is greater than 2. This question is of 15 marks. So first we take the function fz is equal to 1 upon 1 plus z square into z plus 2, and we find out partial fractions of it. So this is linear function z plus 2, so we write a upon z plus 2, and quadratic is bz plus c upon 1 plus z square. We solve this and find out the values of a, b, c, and when we solve the partial fractions we get the values 1 upon 5 minus 1 upon 5 and c as 2 by 5, these three values. For obtaining these we have taken LCM of right hand side and we took the terms, that is coefficient of z square, coefficient of z, and constant in the numerator, which are on left hand side, and we compared these coefficients with the terms of numerator on left hand side, and after comparing we get the equations: coefficient of z square as a plus b is equal to 0, coefficient of z as 2b plus c is equal to 0, and constant term as a plus 2c is equal to 1. When we solve these three equations we get the values of a, b, and c, which are given here. So we substitute these values in the function and we get this function which is here after partial fraction. So we got this function, and now we come to the first part of the question, that is mod z is less than 1. So we know that 1 plus z to the power minus 1 expansion by binomial expansion or binomial theorem is valid when mod z is less than 1. So we will keep this idea in our mind and we will do that. So first term we take, so 1 upon 5 is outside, so this is 1 upon 5. To make it 1 plus z to the power minus 1, the term which is here 1 upon z plus 2, what we do, we take 2 common, so this comes 1 upon 2 because it is in denominator, and this becomes 1 plus z upon 2 to the power minus 1. So when mod z is less than 1, it means this 1 plus z is here, z upon 2, if we compare the form only, to the power minus 1, and we can apply binomial expansion here. Plus 2, we have taken minus sign out from second term, so minus minus this becomes plus 2 minus z upon 5, 5 was outside of the bracket, and this is 1 plus z square to the power minus 1. So z square we can write down, we can take it, compare it with 1 plus z to the power minus 1, that form is here. So we can apply binomial expansion and we can see first term is 1 upon 10, that is 5 into 2 is 10, and nth term can be written for 1 plus z to the power minus 1 as sigma is 0 to infinity minus 1 to the power n z upon 2 to the power n. Now we come to second term, this is 2 minus z upon 5, and sigma from 0 to infinity minus 1 to the power n z to the power 2n, because here we have 2z square. So this is a series of positive powers of z, all terms are of positive powers, so it is an expansion of fz in Taylor series, not Lorentz, because in Lorentz we have negative powers also, negative powers of z, but here we don't have. So, and this is where we are talking within the circle mod z is equal to 1. Now we take second expression, 1 is less than mod z less than 2, so partial fractions we have already done. 1 upon 5 is there, 1 upon 2, 1 plus z upon 2 to the power minus 1. This first term is same, because we know that mod z upon 2, we take this 2 in denominator, so z upon 2 is less than 1. So this is valid, plus 2 minus z upon 5 into 1 upon z square, 1 plus 1 upon z square to the power minus 1. Because here we take z square common, because when we see this term 1 upon mod z, we take this mod z in denominator, then it becomes 1 upon mod z is less than 1. So that is why we are taking this here, to make it compatible with binomial expansion. So this is now applicable for binomial expansion. So we apply that 1 upon 10 sigma 0 to infinity minus 1 to the power n z upon 2 to the power n. This term is same as we did in the previous expression, plus 2 minus z upon 5 into z square sigma 0 to infinity minus 1 to n 1 upon z square to the power n. So these terms, here we see that positive terms in first term positive powers of z are there, and in second negative powers of z are also there. So this is a series in which positive and negative powers of z. So it is an expansion of fz in a Laurent series within the annulus 1 is less than mod z less than 2. Now let's take third case, mod z is greater than 2. So to apply binomial, we need to have 2 upon z is less than 1. So when we take, this is on this side, so 2 upon z is less than 1. So we will use that. So fz is equal to 1 upon 5, we took z outside common, so 1 upon z plus bracket 1 plus 2 upon z to the power minus 1. Now we can apply binomial expansion, minus 1 upon 5, this is the term in the function, and here we have z minus 2. In this case minus is here, so we write z minus 2, 1 upon z square, 1 plus 1 upon z square to the power minus 1. So this again, this part is similar to the second part of this question. So this becomes 1 upon 5z sigma 0 to infinity minus 1 to the power n 2 upon z to the power n minus 1 upon 5, and we have here, we took this z square inside and we have written 1 upon z minus 2 upon z square, or we can say z minus 2 upon z square. This term is sigma 0 to infinity minus 1 to the power n 1 upon z square to the power n. So this is a Laurent series within the annulus 2 is less than